In this video, I want to talk to you about DIY repairs you can do at home and save hundreds of dollars. Front brakes, easy to do on this 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So easy that to even make the bracket as part of the knuckle, you just really basically unbolt the caliper. It's got two sliding pins back here and sliding bolts. Once you take those bolts off, you remove the caliper, the pads slide right off. You don't have to undo a big bracket and bolt and all that. The rotors knock off. Clean your surface, redo your pads, put the new ones attached to the caliper, clean your sliders up, and you're ready to go. Front shocks, we have a stud mount that goes to the top here, just a nut on the top, and the two bottom bolts just go right into a pre-cut out off the differential bracket. Front sway bar link, so easy, saved hundreds of dollars because these links are under 100 bucks. Throw them in yourself. Someone's going to ask you for an hour's to an hour and a half labor. You can do this job easy. No experience, probably in a half hour. Steering stabilizer. If your vehicle has one, like this Jeep Cherokee 2000, wow, is this easy to do. And they are very common to fail. So they'll leak oil, they'll come pouring out. Some people can get some good money for this, doing this job. Well, you can do this, once again, in probably a half hour. This is a universal fit, so it's not as expensive as a direct fit, but it's going to do the same job, and it's easy to install. On a Jeep, you know, if you own one, track bar. They pop all the time right here. Outer tie rod ends, inner tie rod ends, pivot on tie rod ends. It's all so easy you can do and save hundreds of dollars. Starter on a 4.0 liter, so easy to do. It's right out in the open. You can't get any easier or friendly DIYer than that. Rear brakes, drum on this 2000 Cherokee. Take the drum off, set up the shoes, hardware, and adjust them after. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell because then you'll keep up with all our future videos.